And here is some information about how we just lost one of the oldest churches in the entire world. St. Porphyrios Greek Orthodox Church in Gaza was just struck by an Israeli air raid where more than 400 Palestinians, Christians being the majority, were taking shelter. And the most shocking part of this entire thing is that this church was rumored to have been hit about 8 days ago. Then that was debunked as the church's surrounding area was struck by the air raid and the church was still standing. But sadly, when the announcement was made that the church was actually hit this time, the images followed. And this is what is left of the third oldest church in the entire world. And for those of you who cannot read Arabic, this is a sign that said Keniset Porphyrios, which is the church of St. Porphyrios. Also, a statement from one of the sister churches was just released. We have just received confirmation from multiple sources in Gaza that St. Porphyrios Orthodox Church has been attacked today. Archbishop Alexios appears to have been located and is alive, but we don't know if he is injured. We have no word on the condition of any other of the more than 500 people being housed at the church and monastery, including the person who has been our source for most of our information. The bombs hit the two church halls where the refugees, including children and babies, were sleeping. Presently, survivors are searching the rubble for other casualties. Our sources at the scene say that they estimate that 150 to 200 people are now deceased. And that number is expected to rise as more people are found in the wreckage. This is one of the Christian Palestinian survivors who was first to arrive to the hospital after the hit. He made a statement saying that the reason he took shelter and refuge at the church was because he lost his home earlier that week. He had nowhere else to go and thought he would be safe at the church. And even though he was in a complete state of shock, he did notify the press and the church that the result of this airstrike has easily led to over 100 casualties. And now St. Porphyrios Greek Orthodox Church has sadly gone from this to this.